Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and good morning. Selamat pagi. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. And here we are from group 2 for group assistance, session 3, numerical method 2, and introduce myself. My name is Al Abrilianto with my NPM 2006537236 with my friend Monica Ayu Wibowo 19063026680 and Eric Hensel Nathanael 1906383311. And next, this page describes the elements stiffness element. Here is now the states to solve this problem. Among others, the following. And example, this 3. And when a coefficient of the element is obtained from this sample. For this, and 2. For single element in two-dimensional stiffness matrix defined as, for the example, cos theta and other. And the next 3, complete the equation of f. For the example, fex, fey, fjx, and all other. And the next, explain element stiffness matrix recalls that the average starts in any two force member in element stiff matrix. Furthermore, the formula for the problem to be solved is as follows. And this and one recalls that the average stress in any two force member is for the example, and 2 the average stress in any two force member, and 3 in elastic region stress and strain is related by modulus of elasticity, and then combine and substitute these 3 equations, then we obtain. And therefore, here there are 2 examples of completion, namely as follows: and direct and indirect method. And direct method process the equation system in a finite number of steps. It aims to solve the problem with an exact solution immediately. Example, and when a Gauss elimination method, and 2 Gauss-Jordan method. And the second, an indirect method, are also known as interactive method. Indirect method are not expected to terminate in a number of steps starting with an initial guess. Interactive methods will form successive approximation that convert to the exact solution only in the limit. For the example, and one Jacobi method and second Gauss-Seidel method. And page 5, and the problem that we are going to solve. And for the following question, we did Gauss number 4, and this and so far the member of the torso in the accompanying figure have a cross-sectional area of 10 cm cubic and are made of steel SA sampai dengan 200 GPa. Using hand calculation, determine the deflection of each joint, the stress in each member, and the reaction force. Verify your result. And this for picture in solving an equation. I'm sorry. And the next, for the infinite element analysis, no surface area of 10 cm means 0,0001 meter, and 2 modulus of elasticity 200 GPa in the set on the meter. Here is a table that explains the problem, and we know from the calculation of image on the side. And for the example, note 1, 2, 3, 4 and coordinate x and I. This is for the example is a picture. And the next, there are 5 elements here. their elements are described as following in Python table encoding. And this was the example table, and for the example encoding, and just in there, when you see in the picture and my share screen, and this one, and this two, and this three, and this four, and have two tasks to task us. And the next, here we use the manual formula to calculation the value of k. There is k1, k5 as follows. As when element 1 and 2 has equal parameter, that k1 means k2, k sama dengan a kali e per l. Di sini sudah ada jawabannya. And the next element 3 and 5 has equal parameter, then k3 means k5, and this is as answer. And the next value of k4, k sama dengan a kali e l, and answer you get it in a solver with Steveman elements. And step 1, the equation. This is section explains about clusters. For the next steps, there are 4 methods, namely, and I am di sini saya menjelaskan. Step 1, the equation. For the next, there are 4 methods, namely, and once a parameter integer and sama dengan 8. Di sini jelasin tentang clusters. Parameter in char and sama dengan 8 itu for the example 8 dikali 8. Some kind untuk parameter real A means area. Untuk parameter for real E sama dengan modul elasticity. Untuk G sama dengan penjumlahan. Untuk Xn itu terdapat 0,01035 min 2762 min minus 3863 dan sebagainya. Itu adalah nilai global displacement. And the next and real Rn adalah global reaction force. And in this for the example 2, to have a boundary B1 and B2, B1 means 1 and B2 means 3. And di sini karena yang jadi tumpuannya ke dindingnya itu yaitu 1, 3 atau terasnya. Jadi sebagai berikut kenapa angkanya B1 sama dengan 3 dan B1 sama dengan 1 dan B2 sama dengan 3. Di sini untuk step 2 ada finding the truss, and explain about finding the truss. Finding the truss, parameter truss. Di sini jelaskan X1 sama dengan nilai theta. Untuk K1 sama dengan A kali E dibagi 1 itu adalah nilai 1 panjang batang. Jadi panjang per batangnya. Di sini juga ada integral P1A sama dengan 1 dan integral P1B sama dengan 2. Di batang A atau B ada noda. Jadi ada nodanya 2. Dan di sini juga dijelaskan terdapat trust for the travel. Sebenarnya juga hasil penjumlahnya some kind in solver dan lainnya. Jadi di sini sama saja, cuman per trustnya dibedakan menurut perhitungannya dan menurut trustnya itu sendiri. For the example, and here page 12. Here explain transformation methods which I know as follows, and here is the formula for matrix signs. For the formula we can use is as follows. Di sini juga terdapat beberapa. Jadi itu di sini tuh dijelaskan formula itu dari matrix signs, rumus yang bisa kita pakai. Jadi di sini terdapat rumus-rumus yang akan kita masukkan dan untuk ke open modelika tersebut. Okay, the next step 4. And step 4, this is for the first take this as follows, and the formula is as follow. Di sini terdapat formulanya untuk mengisikan nanti di modelika. Okay, the next and step 4, here will be explained in the matrix for coding as follows. Di sini juga dijelaskan tentang bagaimana Okay, the next step 5, increasing the global matrix. Here we will look to find the matrix and later it will be calculation for further purpose or the next steps. Di sini juga dijelaskan buat nyari matriks G-nya seperti apa yang nantinya akan dimasukkan ke algoritma sebagai berikut. Nanti akan berhubungan juga ke Open Modelica. Untuk stage 6, apply the boundary condition, and here is what for the example. And step 7, and match the Gauss-Jordan element to complete the matrix creates earlier. And this for the example, this input integer n, input real a, area, real b, and order. And the next step 7, result of reaction force. In this step 7, result of reaction, here look for the formula to find the value of the reaction, then continue the formula A kali B min C. In this function reaction trace, input integer and input real A, real B, real C, and all other. And the next untuk halaman 19 di sini, here I open Modelica with Slater. I will fill in the coding and data and deform a graph for the displacement. And here there will also be data, namely data that must be checked. There is a data per number which in accordance with the graph. And in this for the displacement, and you can see when I am simulation team unit in K5, K4, K3, and K2, and this is a solver, and you get a graphic, an up down, and the next direction force. Direction force. Here we also do the same something as the step in the rex for the result of reaction. We click the error box, and then we will see a graph that is now from the data we enter Erlang. And when you click in number in 1, 2, and 3, and 4 for the example R, you can get a graphic when you open Modelica. Usually you can get R and in the main reaction force, and you can get solve, you can get this displacement, and in graphic is akan keluar jadi dia. Jadi itu menurut saya untuk presentasi saya. Thank you for your attention, semoga bermanfaat. Mohon salah benarnya mohon maaf. Terima kasih banyak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih. Thank you very much. Waalaikumsalam.